Deep in the heart of Africa, a land of breathtaking beauty awaits. This is Burundi, a small nation bursting with natural wonders. From rolling hills to sparkling lakes, Burundi is a feast for the eyes. Prepare to be amazed by its stunning landscapes. Journey with us as we uncover the scenic treasures of this hidden gem. Discover why Burundi should be on every adventurer's bucket list. Get ready to be captivated by its charm. Burundi is often called the heart of Africa, and for good reason. This landlocked nation boasts a diverse landscape. Imagine towering mountains, dense rainforests, and shimmering lakes. Each region offers a unique glimpse into Burundi's natural splendor. One of Burundi's most captivating features is its incredible biodiversity. From colorful birds to curious primates, the wildlife here is simply astounding. Join us as we explore the habitats of these amazing creatures. Our first stop takes us to Karera National Park, a true testament to nature's power. Here, ancient trees reach for the sky, forming a lush canopy overhead. The air is alive with the sounds of exotic birds and playful monkeys. Trek through the rainforest and encounter chimpanzees in their natural habitat. Marvel at the vibrant orchids and other exotic plants that thrive in this protected area. Karera National Park is a must-see for any nature enthusiast. Next, we journey to Lake Tanganyika, the longest freshwater lake in the world. Its crystal-clear waters shimmer under the African sun, inviting you for a refreshing dip. Relax on its sandy shores and soak up the tranquility. Lake Tanganyika is not just a sight to behold, it's also teeming with life. Dive beneath the surface to discover a kaleidoscope of colorful fish. Experience the thrill of spotting hippos and crocodiles basking in the sun. Section 5. The Rusizi River, a lifeline of beauty. The Rusizi River, a majestic waterway, winds its way through the heart of Burundi, offering a lifeline of beauty and sustenance to the region. This river is not just a geographical feature, it is a vital part of the ecosystem and the lives of the people who live along its banks. Flowing gracefully through Burundi, the Rusizi River is a sight to behold. Its waters shimmer under the sun, reflecting the vibrant hues of the surrounding landscape. The river's gentle flow creates a soothing soundtrack that accompanies the daily lives of those who reside nearby. Take a leisurely boat ride along its gentle currents and witness the beauty of nature unfold before your eyes. As you glide over the calm waters, you'll be greeted by the sights and sounds of a thriving ecosystem. Birds chirp melodiously from the treetops, and the rustling of leaves adds a harmonious background to your journey. The riverbanks are teeming with life. Lush vegetation lines the shores, providing a habitat for a diverse array of wildlife. The greenery is a testament to the river's role in nurturing the land and supporting the flora and fauna that call it home. Spot playful otters frolicking in the water. These charming creatures are a delight to watch as they swim and play, their sleek bodies gliding effortlessly through the water. Their presence is a sign of the river's health and vitality, and crocodiles lurking beneath the surface. These ancient reptiles add an element of intrigue and danger to the river's ecosystem. Observing them from a safe distance, one can't help but marvel at their power and grace. The Rusizi River offers a serene escape and a chance to connect with nature's tranquility. The peaceful ambience of the river is a balm for the soul, providing a perfect setting for reflection and relaxation. Whether you're a local resident or a visitor, the river's calming presence is sure to leave a lasting impression. It's a photographer's dream come true. The ever-changing light and the diverse landscapes along the river offer endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. From sunrise to sunset, the Rusizi River provides a canvas of natural beauty that inspires creativity and awe. In conclusion, the Rusizi River is more than just a body of water. It is a lifeline that sustains and enriches the environment and the people of Burundi. Its beauty, tranquility, and ecological significance make it a treasure worth cherishing and protecting for generations to come. Section 6. Saga Beach, Sun, Sand, and Serenity. Ready for some relaxation? Imagine a place where the sun kisses your skin, the sand caresses your feet, and the serene atmosphere soothes your soul. Welcome to Saga Beach, a hidden paradise waiting to be discovered. Head to Saga Beach, a hidden gem on the shores of Lake Tanganyika. This pristine beach offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and tranquility. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by the panoramic views of the vast lake and the endless horizon. The journey itself is an adventure, but the destination is a reward beyond imagination. Sink your toes into the soft, white sand. Feel the grains gently massage your feet as you walk along the shore. The sand here is unlike any other, fine and powdery, inviting you to leave your worries behind with every step you take, and bask in the warmth of the African sun. Let the golden rays envelop you, providing a natural therapy that rejuvenates both body and mind. Whether you're lying on a beach towel or lounging on a sunbed, the sun's embrace is a gentle reminder of nature's healing power. The gentle breeze carries the scent of exotic flowers. As you breathe in, the fragrant aroma of these blooms fills the air, creating a sensory experience that is both calming and invigorating. The flowers, swaying gracefully in the breeze, add a touch of color and beauty to the already stunning landscape. Enjoy a refreshing swim in the crystal-clear waters. The lake's pristine condition makes it perfect for a dip, whether you're looking to cool off from the sun or simply enjoy the feeling of the water against your skin. The clarity of the water allows you to see the vibrant underwater life, making every swim an adventure, or simply unwind with a good book. Find a cozy spot under an umbrella, open your favorite novel, and let the sound of the waves be your background music. The peaceful environment is ideal for losing yourself in a story, with no distractions to pull you away from your literary escape. Saga Beach is the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to savor each moment. The beach is never overcrowded, providing ample space for you to find your own little corner of paradise. Whether you're seeking solitude or quality time with loved ones, Saga Beach offers the perfect setting. It's where serenity meets paradise. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of orange and pink, you'll realize that Saga Beach is more than just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you long after you've left, calling you back to its shores time and time again. So come and discover the magic of Saga Beach, where every moment is a memory in the making. Section 7. The Majestic Waterfalls of Burundi. Burundi is home to a series of breathtaking waterfalls that will leave you in awe. Visit the cascading waters of Chutes de la Karera, where the Karera River plunges dramatically into a verdant gorge. The roar of the water is deafening, and the mist creates a refreshing spray. These waterfalls are a testament to the raw power of nature. Don't forget your camera to capture their beauty. Section 8. The Rutovu Monument, a testament to history. Our journey through Burundi's scenic wonders wouldn't be complete without a visit to the Rutovu Monument. This iconic site stands as a testament to the nation's rich and complex history, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. As you approach the monument, the first thing that strikes you is its imposing presence against the backdrop of rolling hills and blue skies. It's a sight that immediately commands respect and admiration. This historical landmark commemorates the unification of the country. It was erected to honor the pivotal moment when the diverse regions of Burundi came together to form a single, unified nation. The monument itself is a marvel of architecture, with intricate designs that tell the story of Burundi's journey through time. Each element of the structure has been carefully crafted to reflect the cultural and historical significance of this unification. Located on a hilltop, it offers breathtaking panoramic views. From this vantage point, you can see the vast expanse of Burundi's natural beauty stretching out before you. The lush greenery, the rolling hills, and the clear blue skies all come together to create a scene of unparalleled beauty. It's a place where you can truly appreciate the splendor of the country's landscape. As you take in the stunning landscape, reflect on the rich history and culture of Burundi. The Rutovu Monument is not just a place to admire the view, it's a place for contemplation and reflection. Here, you can ponder the struggles and triumphs that have shaped the nation. You can think about the people who have contributed to its growth and development, and the cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. The Rutovu Monument is a reminder of the country's journey and a symbol of hope for the future. As the sun sets and casts a golden glow over the monument, it stands as a beacon of resilience and optimism. It reminds us that despite the challenges and hardships, there is always hope for a brighter tomorrow. The Rutovu Monument is not just a historical landmark, it is a living testament to the enduring spirit of the Burundian people. Section 9. Your next adventure awaits. Burundi's stunning scenery will leave you breathless. From lush rainforests to sparkling lakes and majestic waterfalls, this hidden gem has something for everyone. We've only scratched the surface of its beauty. So tell us, which of these incredible places would you like to explore first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more breathtaking adventures around the globe.